Hi, I am here to show you how to program the Bluetooth aroma beams. It's very, very simple. You want to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download the ScentBridge app, which will look like this little icon. And once you get that downloaded, make sure that you have your aroma beam plugged in so that it will scan the list and pick those up.
Here we have two aroma beams because it's multiple, like one for the cafe and one for the lobby, so you can actually name those. Is that correct?
Correct. And to do that, when you first get into the application, it's going to ask you for a super passcode. That is a 4-digit number that is included with your instruction sheet that comes with the aroma beam when you purchase it. You are also able to change that password to whatever you would like, and that is done in the settings, which I'll show you in a minute. But to get into your aroma beam, this one I've named Cafe. And say I want to label that as bathroom or home. You just go into Save, and that lets you name it whatever you want. I'm going to cancel because I don't want to change that name. Now I want to run this Monday through Friday because we are closed on Saturday and Sundays. So to do that, you want to make sure that the days you want it running are in the blue and the days that you want it off are in the white.
Easy.
Easy, very easy. And this is your time. I want it to run from 9 o'clock in the morning. So I would just scroll until I come to the 9 o'clock.
It's AM time, okay.
Which is AM. And then I wanted to shut off at 5. So I would scroll down to the 5. And now it's going to run Monday through Friday from 9 in the morning and shut off at 5 at night. The intensity is 50%. You can lower this if the scent is a little too strong, or you can raise it if it's not strong enough.
How high does it go?
It goes to 99%, correct.
And that means the fan's running most of the time, but if the intensity is less, the fan kind of goes intermittently.
Correct.
Okay, so after all that's done, do you press send?
Then you press send, and that sends it to that particular unit.
What about the save button? When does that come in?
This is where you want to change your profile name.
Okay. Got it.
That's the only thing that is good for.
All right, that way.
In your setting, you're able to change your password to whatever password you want to use.
I can hear the aroma beam now.
You can hear the fan just kicked on?
Yeah, the fan just kicked on.
And then the same thing if I want to program the second one, the lobby. If I want to change the name of that one, I go into Save, change the profile name, and then hit OK. And again, I want this one to run Monday through Friday, off Saturday and Sunday. Same thing with the time, 9 to 5. Intensity, 70%.
Yeah. Now what's that on the bottom? It says valid for so many days.
This
so
one,
if you're going on vacation or something?
Exactly. Valid for device would be suspended after the number of days above. So I'm going to go on vacation, but I want it to run this week. After that, I want it to shut off for
5 days.
Yeah, I can't get it to back up there. There we go.
0.
Hit the X button. So after 7 days, I want it to shut off. This is valid for, this is valid for 5 days. So after the 5 days, I would like to have it just shut off.
So then it will be completely off?
It will be completely off until I come back.
Correct.
Until I come back and reprogram it. And then by doing that, all I have to do is push this button to the left.
Okay, but whenever you make a change or something, you always want to press send, because then it tells the aroma beam that that's the new change.
Correct. That
automatically saves it.
Correct. That communicates to the aroma beam.
Okay, so that looks pretty simple. If anybody has questions, they can always contact us by email or call us. Thanks again.
One more thing. Also, if you want to just turn the device off via the Bluetooth, you just go back where this off button is, you select off, and that turns one of them off.
Oh, that's great.
If you want to turn it back on from there, you just turn it back on. And as you can hear, they are both running.
Yeah, it smells good in here.
It does smell good.
Thank you.
Thank you.